Section 1. Introduction. A universe of connected things. The universe is vast. It's filled with stars, planets, and galaxies. But there's another universe, hidden in plain sight, right here on Earth. It's the Internet of Things. The Internet of Things, or IoT, is a network. It connects everyday devices to the Internet. These devices can then communicate with each other. They also send data that we can use. Think of your smartphone. Now imagine it talking to your refrigerator. Picture your car sending data to your mechanic. That's the power of IoT. It's a web of interconnected things, making our lives easier and more efficient.
Section 2, the language of things, how IoT speaks. How does IoT work? It's like a conversation between objects, but instead of words, they use data. Imagine a smart thermostat. It has sensors that measure the temperature. This data is sent to the internet. Now your smartphone can access this data. You can adjust the thermostat from anywhere. The same goes for other devices. Your fitness tracker sends data about your activity. Your smart speaker receives commands through the internet. IoT devices use sensors, software, and connectivity to speak the language of data.
Section 3. Smart Homes, where convenience meets technology. One of the most exciting applications of IoT is in our homes. Smart homes are becoming increasingly popular. They offer convenience, comfort, and efficiency. Imagine waking up to a warm house. Your smart thermostat adjusted the temperature before your alarm rang. As you step into the kitchen, your coffee maker starts brewing. Your smart refrigerator reminds you to buy milk. You can even turn on the lights with a voice command. Smart homes use IoT to make daily life smoother.
Section 4. IoT on the farm, cultivating a smarter future. IoT isn't just for homes, it's transforming industries, including agriculture. Farmers are using IoT to increase efficiency and yields. Sensors in the field can monitor soil moisture. They can even detect plant diseases. Drones can survey vast fields, providing valuable insights. This data helps farmers make better decisions. IoT helps farmers conserve water and resources. It empowers them to grow more food with less waste. This is crucial for feeding a growing global population.
Section 5, the pulse of our cities, smarter living with IoT. Cities are also becoming smarter with IoT. Traffic lights can adjust in real time, easing congestion. Smart parking systems can guide drivers to available spots. Air quality sensors can monitor pollution levels, helping us breathe cleaner air. Waste management systems can optimize garbage collection. IoT is making our cities more efficient, sustainable, and livable.
Section 6. Healthcare at your fingertips, the promise of IoT. IoT is revolutionizing healthcare. Wearable devices can monitor our health. They can track our heart rate, sleep patterns, and activity levels. This data can help us live healthier lives. IoT-enabled medical devices can remotely monitor patients. This allows for early detection of problems. It also improves the quality of care. IoT has the potential to make healthcare more accessible and personalized.
Section 7, manufacturing with machines that think IoT in industry. The manufacturing industry is also embracing IoT. Factories are becoming smarter with connected machines. Sensors can monitor equipment performance, predicting maintenance needs. This reduces downtime and improves efficiency. IoT enables real-time tracking of inventory and production. This optimizes supply chains and reduces waste. Smart factories are more efficient, productive, and adaptable.
Section 8. Safeguarding our world. The role of IoT in security. IoT is enhancing security in various ways. Smart security systems can monitor homes and businesses. They can send alerts in case of intrusion or fire. Facial recognition technology is being used for access control. IoT sensors can detect environmental hazards, such as gas leaks or floods. IoT is making our world safer and more secure.
Section 9. Beyond the horizon. The future of IoT. The future of IoT is bright. As technology advances, we can expect even more innovative applications. Artificial intelligence will play a bigger role, enabling devices to learn and adapt. We can expect to see smarter homes, cities, and industries. The integration of IoT with other technologies, such as 5G and blockchain, will unlock new possibilities.
Section 10. Conclusion. Embracing the interconnected world. The Internet of Things is transforming our world. It's connecting devices, data, and people in unprecedented ways. From smart homes to smart cities, IoT is making our lives easier, more efficient, and more sustainable. As we venture further into the 21st century, embracing IoT will be crucial. It will empower us to address global challenges, improve our quality of life, and create a more connected and intelligent future.